What's going on, guys? So I want to take a little look at DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG. So I know a lot of you guys in the Discord are long-term holding this. Some of you guys are hedging your positions short. So what I want to kind of do here is give us a few technical levels that we can take a look at on ticker symbol DKNG. So what I'm really going to be focusing on is going to be the 4-hour time frame. The reason being for that is you can tend to get caught up in the intraday moves on the 5-minute chart, the 1-minute chart, even the hourly chart. In this kind of environment, when the market rotation is kind of going into these, defensive names, it's going also into a lot of these energy and oil play names. You have to understand where market structure is heading. And just right now, there's really no reason for a lot of these stocks to be pushing higher. There's no reason for growth and high speculation, as well as tech and NASDAQ stocks. A lot of stocks that I like to trade, pretty much giving a lot of false breakouts, breaking down, making new lows, staying within a tight channel. As we can look at DraftKings here, been within a channel, realistically, just, kind of start the year. Realistically, ever since we lost in the middle of January, we lost this $24-$25 area. We kind of been trading, within a range, and that range is going to be anywhere from $20 to $24. So anytime we've kind of broken down below this $20, we have seen lower highs. We have yet to break over the $25 mark since the beginning of the year. Realistically, if we do want to get bullish on DraftKings, we had a pretty decent week to start the week last week, but we still couldn't get over that $25 hump. So to the long side, what we're looking at here, you can see the clear white line that I have on my screen. It's $24.94. So we're just going to call it 25 even. DraftKings is really going to need to get over that $25 area, and it's going to need to close over the $25 area. So as soon as we can get it to close over 25, we're going to want to see some consolidation over the $25 area for the next push higher. Next push higher is going to take us into that $28 to $29 range. So be on lookout for that. But if we can just kind of take a look at where we're at technically now from the 4-hour time frame, we are underneath the 20 period moving average as well as the 200. Not good. What it's looking like that is going to happen right now is we look like we are going to have this purple line, which is the 20 SMA, start to move and cross below the 200. Definitely, if you're a bull, not something you're going to want to see, as this level of around $22.35 is now going to act as a level of resistance. So with that being said here, what I want to really focus on here, especially if you're hedging your positions and you do have puts on your long shares, is what we want is if you get a breakdown below $20.15, we're going to have a lot of room to slide. In that first initial push is going to take us down to around that $18.70, $19 area. Anything below $18.70 does have room down into the $17.50, and then below that obviously is these all-time lows here of around $16. I would expect $16 to act as kind of like a mini support, a little mini demand zone right there. But again, with the way that the market is going, a ton of uncertainty, a ton of headlines, a ton of things shifting the market between Fed talks and between oil prices, between Russia and Ukraine. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market, and just right now, until we can close over that $25 area, I would not add to your long positions until we kind of base and either start closing over 25 or we get back down into that 16, and maybe right around that $16-$17 area you can start to add to your long positions again. So one of the big levels that I have on watch, $20 to the downside. If we do lose $20, there's going to be room to slide. So a potential for a day trade and a scalp below $20. Anything between 20 and 22, I would kind of stay away from. If we do start to get over 22 and a half, maybe 22.50, we're going to have room from 22.50 up to 24. So that's going to be your range to the top side. Just kind of play the supply and demand levels accordingly. Hope this video helps. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Throw me a thumbs up. And also, if you guys want to trade with me each and every single day live, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. And I'm going to catch you guys all in the next trading recap.